In a recent video, we were switching between inch and metric, setting 9 equals inch or setting 9 equals millimeters. And we came across an issue which you'll come across if you're going back and forth when it comes to using your probe. If you switch from inch mode to metric mode and you try and use that spindle probe, you're going to get an alarm. You're going to get an alarm that says that you need to calibrate your probe. So this is just a heads up. If you're ever switching from metric to inch or inch to metric, we're going to ask you to recalibrate the probe, and there's certain reasons for this that I don't want to get into. But it brings up another question. Just personally and from a business standpoint, we'd like to know, if you're a shop in the United States, are you running in metric mode or are you running entirely in inch mode? We know that everywhere else in North America you're running metric mode, right? I know in the automotive industry we would use all of our machines in metric mode because a lot of our blueprints were in metric. A lot of aerospace is all inch, and now some prints are coming across in metric mode. So what I did a few weeks ago was I created a straw poll on strawpoll.com, and we'll link to that poll in the description. And the question that I was asking was, if you're a shop in the United States, do you run your machine in inch mode or metric mode? That's it. So this tip of the day is almost as much about the interaction, getting some information to you. Thank you for watching, but I also want to encourage you to give us some information because I'm just curious, and you might be curious as well. That's it. And thanks for watching this Haas Tip of the Day.